Our Christmas party for kids and our Christmas nativity is going to be happening this Christmas, and we can't wait. So if you have a child that is in G-Force or Kid Shape, then we want you to grab a letter from the welcome desk and make sure you get all the details and sign up your child to be a part of it all. Or you can head to the website excelchurch.org.uk/kids@Christmas for all the info there. We can't wait to see them perform. Guys, Christmas is coming. Yes, get out of your denial. It's coming, and it's coming fast. And we've got so much happening here at Excel Church for this season. So we've got the Christmas Fest, which is coming. We've got all our Christmas services across that weekend. And we've got a New Year's Eve service happening as well. So there's going to be lots happening. So you can head to our website to get all the information, or you can pick up one of these flyers with all the dates on of everything that's going on, and you can pass these on to your friends. So take a couple, pass them on to your friends. We want to create an opportunity this Christmas for everyone to hear the gospel message. That is what it's really about. So why don't you get one of these flyers, find out the information at www.excelchurch.org.uk/Christmas, and you can get all the information and the dates on there. It's going to be a great one. So that's all for Excel News, but make sure that you connect with your Connect groups this week. And also don't forget that on Saturday is Next Level Bible Study. So join us for that on Saturday morning if you're available for it. Have a great week, guys, and we'll see you next week.